He says from the Holy Quran it is obvious that Hazrat Noh alayhi salatu wasalam's son did not believe in him. So his conclusion is this is a sort of failure on behalf or on the part of a prophet. And
no, it is not only the person himself is responsible. It is reported that his mother was not good, and because of her mother's influence, he refused to believe in Hazrat Noh. That is why he was drowned in his sight. So he protested to Allah. He was my son. Why has you had promised me that my family will be saved? So Allah answered, Amalun ghairu salih. He was a fasik fajir person. His acts were not pious and noble acts. So as such, apparently he is your son, but he doesn't belong to you. Understand?